Mm. You should have seen me eating the whole pan, like, you know. Yeah. Can't do any invites. You crazy, like. I'm just turning on with this filter, bitch. So recently life has been crazy. Like I can't. I just can't do anything anymore. I don't know how to earn on TikTok. I don't know anything how to earn online. Yeah, look. The filter comes off, but I don't look that terrible in real life. It's just social media and shit. I'm not gonna invite anyone because I don't want to. It's just dead. Can I get this thing off? Like, I don't want to say who joined me because it's by an accident, you know. Yeah. I get nowhere with these TikTok lives. Reason I don't post on TikTok because I don't believe in TikTok. I don't believe that I can actually do something. Look at that filter. I actually don't have mascara, did you know? But, like, I mean, everyone's so pretty and so this and that, but it's all fake. It's all fake as fuck. You know that. I think it's probably even better without lighting. Encourage your viewers to share your live and invite more friends. I have no friends. Mm. 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 So I said I'm live on TikTok, on Twitter. But I doubt that I will get anything out of it because I am old. I am so fucking old. It's not even funny. And I actually think. I actually think nothing. I think maybe I should go live on YouTube instead. Because I just don't see the point. You know, from everything I do, I post like Instagram pointless. It's pointless to post anything for likes. I don't need likes. Like fuck likes. I can't buy food with likes. I can't go to shop and say, I see I have 10 likes. Can I get that? Fuck off. Like seriously. So Instagram is out. Twitter, keep posting and posting. There's no engagement. Zero. No engagement, no comments, no DMs, nothing. I can post my bad ass all day long. There is just nothing happening. You may think there is, but there isn't. It's stuck on the same followers. They just keep bouncing back and forth and back. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step, and they make nothing, absolutely nothing for me. Thank you. You think I look good with this filter? Of course, everybody does. You're trying to be real in this life because everyone online is fucking fake. Everything you see online is fake. Things I'm saying here is not fake. I have a filter, look. This is my natural lashes, and this is not my natural lash. Because it's a filter. because it offered me a filter. So I put it on. Why not? I only live once. Why can't I put a filter? Like, people pay for fake things. People pay for people that doesn't even exist. You know, it's not real, and people pay for fake things that doesn't exist, and they don't even want to support real people who actually try and do stuff for them, try to comfort them, try to talk to them for absolutely nothing. Hello. So when you go to my Twitter, you think, oh my god, I have such an amount of followers. They are free. Like, just free stuff. Excuse me. I started this with burping. So I keep burping because I always burp. And I'm happy to burp. Excuse again. Because that relieves me. I don't do burp on command, fart on command. Because what for? If I would, of course I would make more money. Because I would be pumping out videos every fucking day, just like that. But I don't. So I'm trying to be real in this fake world, even though I'm wearing a filter. Look, this is no filter, and this is a filter. Hey, look at the real skin, and this is no skin. Like, literally nobody has face like that in real life. Go onto the streets and look at the people in real world. You will not find anyone who has this airbrushed face in real life. Nobody has that. I'm okay in general, but I want to change something. I want to change where my channel is going. Because what I do now for almost, no, it's not 3 years, it's 2.5 years. It ain't working. It just ain't working for me. It does for others because they're fake. They're faking it. They are faking it. I did not advertise this live, however, I'm gonna put it probably on my YouTube, even though what is gonna get like 1,000, 2,000 likes for what? Absolutely nothing. Just like zero. There's just no point at all. Like, I do this online stuff and you think, oh, because I have such a amount of followers, I must be doing great. I don't at all. And this is the thing, people think, oh, you do this and this, you must be doing great. It's fake. everything is fake. So I think what I'm going to do on TikTok, I'm gonna do a completely different thing, because I don't know if it, look at these. I don't know if it's gonna work. So my beer is also finishing, my battery is almost dead, and my eyes are red. Dear, and I only have 2 likes, and I've been into live stream for how many minutes? I don't even know. So I posted on Twitter, I posted on Instagram. So Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. 3 platforms. Hello, Lush. 3 platforms I posted that I'm online. I don't think it's gonna change anything, because it's not. So I may or I may not return. I had like 3 burps for free. This isn't working. Like, I could be doing this live until morning light. Nothing would change. I wouldn't have a dime into my pocket still.